This unusual Porsche hot rod will leave fans of the brand shaking their heads, which has been listed up for sale in the UK. The car has come to life thanks to custom builder Alexandra Danton. The car started out as a 1971 Porsche 911T, although very little of that original car remains. Gone is the rear-mounted flat six. Instead, the hot rod is powered by a turbocharged, front-mounted 6.75-litre V8 pumping out over 300 HP that was sourced from a Bentley Mulsanne turbo. Coupled to this engine is an automatic transmission driving the rear wheels through a live axle. Like any good hot rod, the engine is completely exposed to the elements, and one of the headlights has been replaced with a cold air intake to feed the V8. The car isn't street legal. There's very little going on in the cabin. In fact, all the car features are a set of thin alloy seats, a flat-bottomed Sparco steering wheel, simple switches and gauges, and a prominent shifter. Bonhams is auctioning the car and expects it to sell for between $5,000 to $10,000.